Hey, Steve here, and this is not the junkyard crawl, this is the Ferrari crawl. A little bit of a difference from what I'm usually doing, but this is High Octane Classics in Auburn, Massachusetts storeroom where they keep a lot of cool stuff. And this is a 1977 Ferrari GT4. Now these were made between 1973 and 1980, but something new for 1977 is seen right here, the Ferrari crest. Keep in mind that the Ferrari Dino, starting out in the 60s, was always seen as a junior Ferrari, V6 powered, and as a result, the Dinos did not even have a Ferrari nameplate on them. Well, Ferrari changed that when they came out with the GT4, which is a 2+2 four-seater. Quite a different car from the rounded Dino V6s of the pre-1974 era. But again, 77, Ferrari wisely added the Ferrari logo and stopped calling it the Dino, and sales went up. But with that said, only 2,826 of these things were built between 1973 and 1980. Now, the thing about this is it's a four-seat. It's a 2+2, and it's not the first four-seat Ferrari. That would have been 1960, the 250 GTO 2+2. But again, as a four-seater, we can see inside, the back seat will accommodate a couple of small kids, and it really opened the door for Ferrari, you know, to suit small families and people who might have maybe had friends they wanted to travel with. Like all Ferraris, it does have the gated shifter up here, a 5-speed transaxle, and again, this is a mid-engine car. And the GT4 is significant because it is Ferrari's first transverse V8 powered street car. And let's have a peek at that. Here is, yeah, there it is. This is a 4-valve, 4-cam, 3-liter V8. Now here's the thing, 240 horsepower, but again, we're talking about the mid-70s when smog was the thing. Here's the emissions pump, this thing right here, but you gotta love the centrally located spark plugs, and these are not fuel injected. This one has 4 2-barrel Weber carburetors hiding underneath that air cleaner. Now this deck lid is made of aluminum. We can see here the magnet does not stick to it. And similar, the hood up front is also aluminum. But that said, the rest of the car is steel, including the body shell. And that's kind of an expensive thing. And again, with only 200 or 2,800 of these things made, Ferrari's investment in the presses and the stamping equipment to make these cars was not small. Here's the cargo area in the back, and you know, nicely fitted out with upholstery, as you might expect. Now, price on this back in 1977 was about $28,000, which would have also bought you 3 Corvettes. But here's the thing, Corvettes don't have 4 seats. Only the GT4 Ferrari Dino did or does. Now, are these things collectible? Well, the answer is yes. Anything Ferrari is always going to be at a premium and be in demand. But if you're looking for an expensive or inexpensive entry-level Ferrari, you might think about a Dino GT4. Again, 2+2. It's a 4-seater, so if you have a small family or small people in your family, this might be a good car for you. But if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of thing, including the junkyard crawl, we'll be doing that too. Subscribe to the Steve YouTube channel.